Namaste. It's the third period for the topic laws of indices, and here we will simplify the given questions, okay, to find out the values. And some of the questions there will be okay given the values, and we have to substitute and find out its value, okay. And today's class starts like this, and it goes like this. Look here, and according to this first slide, laws of indices, and I want to repeat these laws, okay. X to the power m into x to the power n. If base is same, we have to add the power, okay. Second one, if we divide and if base is same, then we have to subtract the power, okay. We have to add only one base. And here is x to the power m and whole power n. There is power and its whole power will be multiplied. X to the power m into n, and x to the power 0 equals to 1. How? Okay, x to the power 0, everybody know that it will be 1 according to the laws of indices. And how? Look at, I will show you. X to the power 0 equals to 1. How? As we have x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5, we divide like this. Okay, x to the power 5 is x into x into x into x into x 5 times, and down also x divided, okay, x into x into x into x into x, this, okay, 5 times. If you cancel up and down, then x, okay, you can cancel by 1, and its answer will come 1. We used to do this in lower classes, okay, this method of division. And now here by next method, x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5 means x only, and we have to subtract their powers. 5 minus 5 is x to the power 0. And look here, the question is same. This is also x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5. Answer has come here 1. And when you divide x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5, okay, and its answer by using the laws, it will come x to the power 0. In first condition, answer had come 1, and second condition, answer had come x to the power 0. Question is same, but its result had come different. And that's why question, look, left hand side is equal. That's why its answer should be also equal. So that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Both questions are same. Look at this side, left hand side, questions are same, and the result also must be equal. So its result is x to the power 0 and its result is 1. That's why x to the power 0 equals to 1. I hope you are clear about it. How x to the power 0 has become 1. In this next rule here, x to the power minus m, okay, if there is negative power, if you have to change into positive, then we have to take it down, and up remains 1 as a numerator. Okay, when it goes down, then its negative power will be converted into positive power. If down negative power, then if you take it up, then it will be positive power. Okay, and similarly look at square root x. Okay, you might have learned in optional math also, and the math or additional math one. Okay, and here in square root, here will be in this corner there will be 2. This 2 is hidden here, okay, and x power nothing means there is 1, and when this root, this radical symbol, square root is cancelled, then this 2 will come to divide this power 1 by 2. That means square root x means x power 1 by 2, x power 1, and here is 2 hidden, okay, I am repeating, this square root means here is 2, then it will come below this 1. And simplify, look here, questions, x to the power 2a into x to the power a into x to the power minus 3a. We have a solution and write question once again. And all the bases are same, you are going to multiply, write only one base, and we have to add the power. 2a plus a and plus minus 3. It is negative, that's put in bracket. And when you open the bracket, the 2a plus a, 3a and minus 3a, and x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 means 1. 1 is the answer for this I number. And this is the class work, similar one. We have to write only one base and add the power, and all the power. Look, a minus a will be 0, b minus b will be 0, c minus will be x to the power 0, and its value also will come. X to the power 0 means 1. And here, according to the laws of indices, look, power and its power, whole power, this power 2 and this power minus a minus b, these two powers will be multiplied in each one. Okay, here. And when you open that 2 into a, 2a, 2 into b, okay, 2b, then his minus sign also, it will be like this for all one. This power and whole power will be multiplied. And write only one x, and we have to add the powers. 2a minus 2b plus 2b minus 2c plus 2c minus 2a. Then x to the power will be 0. Okay, this plus is little bit up, and it will be x to the power 0, x to the power 0 means 1. Its value will come 1. Now here is the class of similar way. Here also we have to open the bracket, then a into b, ab, a into minus c, ca, or ac you can write, into here x to the power bc minus b into a, ab, and into x to the power c into a, ca, and c will multiply with b also, minus b also. Okay, then it will be bc, or you can write cb. Generally we write bc. And write only one base, add the power, then x to the power 0 also will come, here will be 1. And here for the next question, look here. Upper one, denominator and numerator separately solve here. All the bases same, then while multiplying add the power. And here in down one, x to the power a plus b plus c and whole power 2. 2 will multiply with a, b and c. Okay. Then up will be 2a plus 2b plus 2c, then this divide. And when divide, then this down one power will be subtracted. That's why put this in all the power in bracket and write a minus sign here, and it will be subtracted. Same minus same, it is 0, x to the power 0 means 1. And here is the class of, you have to open like this. Okay, a minus b multiplied with a plus b, this is in formula. Look, a minus b multiplied with a plus b, it will always come a square minus b square. Same here, b minus c, b plus b square minus c square, c square minus a square will be here. Then all the bases same, power will be added, third step, then x to the power 0, its value also will come 1. Here, in question number 2, the given values are, we have to substitute in this question. X power 2, x value is 2, y value is 3 given there. And now write the question, then put the value of x there. X power 4 power x, and x value is 2, 4 square means 16, 4 4 are. And similarly, class we can put this value, x value here, then y value. Okay, y value is given here, then y value put here, 3 power 3, then 3 into 3 into 3, then value will come. X power y means what? X will be 2 and power 3. 2 cube means it will come 8. Y to the power 2x. Y means 3 power 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 3 power 4, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 times multiply, the answer will come. 3 into x. X means 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 will be here. 3 into 8 plus 2 into y square means what here? 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 to the 18, and here will be 8. 8 3 is 20. Now then simplify it. Simplify it, then its value will come. Now similarly here also in this two number, x value 10, y value 5 we have to put. Then its solution will be like this. Okay, x value is 10, that means 10 square, and y value is 5, 5 square. Then down 10 minus 5. 10 square means 100, and 10 minus 5 is 5. 125 divided by 5, you will get 25 answer. Similarly, you can do this class work. Put the value of x 10, y value is 5. Then open this one, okay, and simplify. You will get the answer. Similar way, substitute the value of x 10, y value 5. Now here in question number 3, we have to substitute x value is 2 power a, y value is 2 power b. Then in this question, let's put the value x value is 2 power a, x value is 2 power a, and its power is already b there. Then put that in bracket, and y value is 2 power b, and its whole power will be minus a, and it will be 2 to the power ab. A into b is ab into 2, b into minus a means minus ab. Okay, 2 to the power ab and 2 to the power minus ab. Then 2 ab, and this plus minus this will be okay, plus, because base same, then when you multiply, then power is added. And when you subtract, A minus AB will be, AB minus AB it will be minus plus minus sign. AB minus AB will be 0, then 2 power 0 means 1. 1 is the answer of this question. Okay? I hope you have understood this. Now assignment is given there. Okay? This also open. A multiply with B, AB, A multiply with C, AC. Similarly, B multiply with C, BC, B multiply with A minus AB, C multiply with A, CA minus C multiply with B, BC. Similarly, here also AB multiply with minus AB, A square minus B square. Similarly, open this and add the power. This is your assignment. You can do it easily, as I have explained. Today this much only. Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy. And in difficulties, you can watch the video again and again. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to stay updates of the new videos. And please don't forget to subscribe.